Hi everyone, my name is Tony and today I'll show you how you can use this laser engraver to personalize or leave your logo on just about anything you sell in your shop. The guys over at xTool have sent me their F1 Laser Engraver for us to test and see how this can help a small business owner or a hobbyist just like yourself. Furthermore, I designed a pattern for you to download for free and make something your clients will love. More on that just a bit later. So let's quickly unbox this guy and see what we can do with it. The xTool F1 is a compact, versatile laser engraver that's very well built, that's fast and precise. I think F1 is actually the perfect name for this machine because this is, in fact, the most precise and the fastest tool I have ever used. No contest. Just wait and see. But first, let's talk a bit about how you should choose the products you decide to make and sell in your shop. I've always said leatherworking is 50% art, 50% business. And you should always consider these three key factors when making a product: quality, market demand, and customization potential. Today, in leatherworking, customization is a huge selling point, and this is where the F1 engraver can help you make a difference. Products need to stand out, and being able to offer custom engravings is very important. Like this dog collar right here. As a customer, I would definitely purchase this over another if I could have the name of my dog or my phone number on it in case my dog runs off. And for the tracking option, well, for the tracking option, I would definitely pay extra. Now, this is a smart idea for your next item in your shop. And you can actually download the patterns for this exact color for free. I left a link for you in the video description below. And here is another idea. Maybe you constantly ship small items and you want to upgrade your packaging. Here is how I quickly and effortlessly engrave a pattern with my logo on this box. Your clients will appreciate all these small details and most likely will come back for another order. All of that because of this. Maybe. Now let's see how the F1 laser works. I've selected a few leather pieces to demonstrate just how easy it is to use this machine. Simply connect the xTool F1 to your computer and open the design software. Obviously, the software is included and free of charge. No hidden fees, no monthly subscription. You can download and use it anytime you want. I've already got a design, so I'm ready to go. Let's start with this leather tag. We'll position the engraver and frame the design using the F1 framing feature, which allows you to align individual elements perfectly in real time to see exactly where the laser will go is such a helpful feature, and you can even switch from seeing a box to seeing the actual design. I mean, boom, mind blown, right? I've never seen this anywhere, and I'm really happy this guy has it. The xTool software will easily let you select the speed and the intensity of the laser, and I strongly recommend you run a few tests on scraps before you use the laser on your final product. Personally, I always write down the laser speed and power for all the materials I use, so I don't have to do tests on the same materials more than once. As you can see, the blue light laser is ideal for leather or for wood or acrylic, all right? The F1 is precise and quick and perfect for small items like, wallets or key fobs or etching your logo onto your bag or whatever you're making. But you can also engrave metal simply by switching to the infrared laser. Now, how cool is that? Here is your engraved tag that's ready to attach to your item. The xTool F1 is not only precise but also extremely mobile. All you need is a power source and laptop, making it perfect for taking to fairs for instant personalization of your items or for just labeling everything around your house. I guarantee if you get one of these, you're gonna start tagging everything. For small business owners, especially those just starting out, the F1 can meet your basic needs efficiently. But as your business grows and you start receiving more orders, you might need machines with larger work areas. That's where models like the xTool P2 comes in place. Now, the P2 offers a bigger work area, making it ideal for higher volumes and bigger designs. If you're ready for the big boy laser, go watch my reviews on that particular machine, links down below, and pick up one more free pattern while you're at it for this beautiful bag I made entirely with that laser. This guy right here, free pattern, go get it. So to wrap it up, the xTool F1 is a fantastic laser engraver, and I don't say that often, you know me, because it offers precision and ease of use for small businesses or leatherworking enthusiasts like yourself. Now, the build quality, it's second to none. It's far superior to most other cheap plastic lasers, and I think it's smart to spend a little more on something once than get a bunch of cheap lasers that will make you regret your choices and determine you to pick one of these instead, all right? The F1 has a machined aluminum frame and body to which you can attach an air purifying unit or a rotary attachment, and if you like, of course. And I'm really happy with the way it feels, and I'm planning to use this little guy every day from now on. You'll see. One little thing though, one little thing. There's always something, isn't it? I would have loved a larger working area, all right? But I think there's actually an attachment that takes care of that. So I think I'm gonna go get that next, test it, and get back to you guys, all right? Of course, as your business grows, xTool has you covered with more advanced models like the P2 I've just mentioned and other models, but this is a good start. I hope you found this review helpful. If you're interested in more tool reviews, go check out my channel. Remember to subscribe, check that notification bell, because next time I release a review, a free pattern, or anything else, you're gonna be the first to know. I'm out, taking this with me Peace!